Okay guys, hi. I'm gonna unbox this. Ayan, unbox natin to. Oster 2-pound loaf bread maker. Oster. Sabi yo, legendary performance, designed to last. Ayan. 15 recipes. That's good. Merong recipe. Tatry ko yung recipe. Hi guys. I'm gonna unbox this. Matagal na ito binili sa akin ng anak ko, hindi ko pa ina-unbox. Okay. Tcharan! Oster bread maker. Meron pa siyang recipe. Guide pala to, guide. Recipe guide at saka anong tawag dito? User guide at saka recipe. May recipe siya. See? May recipe. Let's open it. Ayan, tignan natin. Oops. Oops. Ayan siya. Akala ko meron pang pipindutin. Akala ko may pipindutin para i-open. So, ganyan lang siya. Open mo siyang ganyan. Meron siyang cup. Takalan. Scoop. Parang tablespoon scoop siya. I don't know what's this for, but I will find out later. Ayan siya. Ang taas naman pala ng ginagawa ko. Ayan siya, meron siyang scoop, tablespoon, tsaka cup. So, I have to read the manual first before I use this. Tcharan! Hindi natatanggal eh. How I'm gonna wash this kung dito natatanggal? Sabing read the manual first. Okay, I will read the manual. Anyway. I will make bread today with this Oster bread maker. Thank you for watching my unboxing. Bye. So to take this out, if ever I want to wash it or clean it, I just have to turn this on the side there, And then, take it out. But I already washed this. So I will put it back. I will put it back. Okay. Side like that. And then put it straight again. There. And then this is the kneading blade to knead. So I will put this blade. So there is a like a half moon. It's a half moon over here too. This one. I will put it. Hold on. There. And this will help knead the dough.